Most people get this wrong. They assume all health insurance plans are the same, but Ambiter offers features that can make a real difference for your healthcare and budget. Today, they'll share my honest usage experience so you know exactly what to expect. Ambiter is a health insurance provider that operates under the Affordable Care Act in several states. One of the first things I noticed is their wide network of providers. You can access primary care doctors, specialists, and even urgent care clinics without jumping through hoops. For example, I scheduled a routine checkup online, and the appointment process was straightforward with minimal wait time. Their plans also focus on preventive care. Ambiter covers services like annual exams, vaccinations, and screenings, often at no extra cost. During my plan year, I took advantage of a free wellness visit, which helped me identify a minor health issue before it became serious. Another standout feature is their digital tools. Ambiter's mobile app and website let you track claims, find in-network providers, and even get virtual care consultations. I used the telehealth feature for a minor cold, and the process was fast and convenient. No long waits or travel required. However, there are some limitations. Some specialized treatments and medications can require pre-authorization, which adds extra steps. Also, premiums and deductibles vary by state, so you need to carefully compare options to find the best fit for your budget. In conclusion, Ambiter is a solid option if you want an affordable plan with strong preventive care, easy access to providers, and useful digital tools. Whether you're looking for individual coverage or a family plan, it's worth considering as part of your healthcare strategy. Subscribe for more honest health insurance reviews and tips to help you navigate coverage without surprises.